Good morning, guys. Today we are going to head on to Sahara Desert and we are going to camp inside the sand-dunes. Before we leave, I think I found the really cool things like there's a camel trails going on. I think we are going to drive up there and then catch up with the camels. Woo!
Okay, so we are here, right?
Yeah.
But there's a couple areas we can drive in, but you can see it's quite sandy. So I'm just check the road real quick. Soft here. You can see it's really soft sand. Keep driving up. And we could park over here. There's a little desert beetle.
We found the spot, just searching how it is. Oh, it's windy. I changed my clothes because it's quite cold. Okay, so there's another off-road cars parked over there and we are planning to park there because we did before and we like to be a little bit separation to everyone. I don't know, I'm kind of weirdo. But there's a guy who ride a motorcycle or moped, possibly that is moped. That one. Because I remember that 3 years ago he was with us too. So he told Mark that there behind of descendant there's some spot that we can park. So he walked there and I'm waiting Mark to come back. 이거 될랑가 모르겠다. 빠지면 빠지는 거 모르겠다. 아 미쳤나봐 진짜. 어머머 어머머 어머. 어머 했어? 헐 어이가 없네. Oh my god. Wow, it's a really good spot.
This is Adir.
Yeah.
Guys, if you come to this campsite, he helped us a lot. Thank you, Adir, so much.
Guys, settling down in here. We put the leveling box in the TV, and yeah, Adil helped us a lot to find a good spot and flatter. He's local, he knows. So yeah, thanks to Adil. But let's go. Are you ready to go?
Oh, you're gonna go now?
근데 못 갈 것 같은데.
Oh, come on, you can do better than that.
크록스 타시다 크록스.
You made it. Let me try to go up there too.
해봐라. 뭐 하는데? 슬로우 모션이가. 아 너무 이쁘다. Behind on me, right? 뷰 맛집이네, 뷰 맛집. 아니가.
Yeah, stunning, huh? Hot, huh? The sun is hot. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
고생했어요.
Welcome to the Sahara.
Welcome to the Sahara. Okay, guys, time to prepare the barbecue because we're gonna do barbecue tonight. It's Sahara Desert. Why not? Okay, let me prepare the barbecue.
Whoa ho ho! Look at Lucy making the goji.
Yeah, but your favorite one is the zucchini too.
Wow! Look at all this goji.
There you go.
Nice. All right, we got the fire going in there.
Okay, guys, I'm up on the dune. Mark over there is cleaning the grill so that we can do barbecue. he told me the data is not working there, so I have to come up to use the data. So I left my phone up there so that I can download some stuff. You know what? I can leave my phone here because we are the only one walking around, and you know, like dirty footprint is from me, and hopefully tomorrow it will clear away. But I really love the desert. I don't know why. I hate dry condition because of my sinus always giving me a problem, but I love sand. I love desert. I mean, you can go to the beach, you can touch the sand, but somehow I like the desert. Just something I feel like I whole my life desert is like untouchable place because I live in Korea. Just amazing. These things you can do it when you travel with a car, like, you know, traveling with your home. This is a payoff.
Should I get jacket?
Yeah, it's cold. Sure.
Sun has not even set yet, but it's already getting pretty cold, huh? I cannot wait to eat. Yummy.
이쁘다. 해 떴다. Oh, nice. Oh, wow.
Morning.
Good morning. 추워. 너무 추워.
I know it's freezing, huh? How's breakfast?
Good.
Breakfast.
뜨끈하게 좋네.
Breakfast today is chili. Vegan chili.
그냥 고기가 똑 떨어졌거든. 오늘 장 보러 가야 돼.
Yeah. Where are we gonna hike to?
We're gonna go way up there where people stand, right?
Yeah.
I think that is the highest point.
Okay. Right over there.
나 이거 내 풋프린트다.
Yeah. They're your footprints from this morning, huh?
나 아침에 오늘 해 뜨는 거 보러 갈 거라고. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Let's go. 어머, 이거 발자국 봐. 1, 2, 3. 이게 뭐지? 낙타야? 낙타 똥이 있는 건데.
It's like a rabbit or something, huh?
I'm the one first to the upper step. 발자국 찍기.
하나, 둘,
셋.
Oh. Wow. We made it.
Catch on my breath too. Okay guys, we climb up. The view is amazing. Never expected we are gonna have this view in front of our eyes. Look at this. Sand dune, like all the way. And the TV's way down there. It was really worth it to climb up. I mean, it's really hard. It doesn't look like that high, but wow, it's steep. But it's amazing view you're gonna get. Great. This is what I love about desert. Guys, we're gonna head on to TV and we are gonna go to campsite today.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
We made it.
We made it.
Good job, buddy.
Good job. 안돼,
We can do it.
안돼.
Here we go. Woo! Are you okay?
안 한다고 했잖아.